Hello everybody, this is a video about a Delta faucet, two-handle Delta faucet for a kitchen with a side sprayer where we have a problem with it where the water does not come out when you turn it on, either side, but the sprayer works, as you can see. And I've checked the see if there's any clogs here. You can see that still have no water coming out, so that's not the problem. So what it appears we have here is a failed diverter, and so I'm going to go about looking at replacing this diverter. So before doing anything else, you want to turn off the water down below the sink, which I've already done. And you can see, clear out anything that might be in there. Otherwise we could get a face full of water. And then we're going to remove the faucet, or the spout. Just do that by unscrewing this fixture here. And you will get some water as it comes out. And what you end up with is this part here. So I'm going to take that out. I believe I'm going to be keeping this part. And the trick is inside here. There's another part down in here that I'll need to pull out. So I turned on some extra lighting to maybe get a little better view, and got rid of some of the water. So there's the parts down in there. This is the diverter that needs to come out, and I have to play with that a little bit, see what I can do to get that out of there. So first things first, there's a little seal that's down here that you'll just pick it out. Be careful not to cut it with the X-Acto knife, but you can see that. Then next we've got the actual diverter part that needs to come out. So to get this out, I have decided to use a needle nose pliers with a penny, and you can see there's actually 4 notches on this thing. So go down and I'm rotating it counterclockwise because I believe it's threaded, and I'm working it out. I've already gotten it done some, so it's getting kind of loose now. I think I might be able to just pull it out. Nope, there it is. So there's the part. And I think when this is combined with this, you have what I'm going to be putting in as a replacement. So this is from Delta RP63135, which is a spray diverter for two-handle kitchen faucets with sprayer. So I'll now be inserting this. So far it's been a pretty easy fix. So you've got that gasket in there too. So here's the part. This was about $15 on Amazon, maybe a little bit less than that. Although as it is a Delta faucet, which has a lifetime warranty, I was able to call Delta, and they actually sent the part out free of charge. So that's just a little key. If you can wait for Delta to send their free part out, they can they'll do that for you. So reinstalling the part, I just dropped it in. Let's see, just goes right in. Start threading it. Use a handy dandy US penny here, or any coin of your choice, to tighten it up. I'll make sure I don't over tighten, as it's just plastic. By the way, if y'all like this video, this is my first home improvement video to do, so give me some likes if you like this, or if you have some improvements, recommendations for improvements, let me know that too. Now that feels like it's about as tight as I should make it. And then we'll put the seal in on top as well. Get that down there. There's a screwdriver, I think, to drop it down. Or carefully use something a little sharper. I think this will go in probably when I put the faucet back on. Okay, I got the seal to go down. I'm seeing I may have put my finger across the video as I was doing some videoing here, so trying to do this one-handed, but I don't have one of those tripods that I could put my iPhone on. But all right, so next is to put the faucet back on. It should go right back down in. Screw this down. Next stage will be to turn the water on, and we'll see what happens. Okay, I've restored the water, or open the valves from down below. We'll see if this is the right solution now. And there we go. My wife is going to be happy. All right, both faucets are working. See if the sprayer works. All right. There is a job well done at home without having to call the repair guy. All right, well, thank you for your attention, and I hope this helped. Again, the part number that we used was from Delta, RP63135, and really pretty easy fix.